Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chikan. Winter is coming, my face is already getting dry, and for this I have a solution. Today I am going to apply a sheet mask, and this sheet mask is from Sheer Secret. I have a very dry skin, and especially in winter I need to take care of my skin a lot. Sheet mask always give moisture to the skin, and this sheet mask contain hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract, niacinamide that helps to restore firmness, refine the pores, supply water to moisture skin, soften and tender the rough skin, and make skin smooth and elastic from inside. Before going to bed is the best time to apply sheet mask, as you don't need to wash your face again after applying this sheet mask, and it will repair your skin throughout the night. The size of the sheet mask is perfect for my face. Now I am going to wait for another 20 to 25 minutes to absorb the serum into my face. In between I am going to massage the excess serum on my neck and on my hands as well. The sheet mask right now I have with me is a hydrating sheet mask, and the MRP of the sheet mask is 199 rupees, and it has a shed life of 2 long years. Net weight is 24 gram, that means it has lots of serum in it, and this sheet mask is easily available at their website. I will provide the details of their website in my description box below. Please do check it out. This sheet mask is for all skin type. Now I am gonna peel off the sheet mask from my face as 20 minutes is over, and gently massage the excess serum with the help of this sheet mask, and the smell is very good. It's mind soothing. Again I am going to massage with a very soft hand for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the excess serum into my face. You can see that my face is already glowing and fully hydrated, and it was a very busy day. Now I am going to bed to take a very good nap. Good night. Tata.